Mansfield Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, A611, and go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
Come right outside of me. What an idiot. Turn right to roundabout. Come round over to the left.
After 300 yards,
And then silly fuck just coming out left hand side of me. Yeah. Tell you what, I love this when I just check out these people's registration numbers. So, Little Plonker with GN68 PGZ. Okay. Wow. Hey? What do you think he's got a racing car, eh? 1368cc petrol. It's already 7 years old. Now, if you look down at the bottom here, look, can you see that? Last logbook changed. Just over 2 weeks he's owned that car. Just over 2 weeks. And already he's driving it as if he owns the road completely. Mr. Bully Boy with his 1368cc Fiat 500. You're a fucking joke, man. An absolute fucking joke.
To the door, that she had a kitchen.
Let's change the driver.
She's gonna try. We've seen the bell at the top.
Yes, let's try it. Change the driver.
The 130's changing drivers. Yeah, it's been there for ages. The back of it. Get out the back. Because, mate, why put your indicator on and then put your hands on the door? Move forward, innit? If you move forward, I can get out, innit? Just go forward! You fucking idiot! Move forward! Are you stupid then? You sat there, your indicator on, I pull behind you, and then you put your hazards on. Think about what you're doing quicker then. Obviously you cannot. Fucking yeah, you put on after. After you sat there with your indicator on. So why are you looking like you're manoeuvring and then you're sitting there? Clear after I pull behind you. So it's your fault. Just move forward a bit. You fucking idiot. And the blood pressure. Fucking idiot! There you go. It's gone.
We'd be upside down in a ditch and I'd be like, why did you crash the car? Is it because you don't love me?
Whoa.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
Fucking hell.
Wanker.
Fucking hell. Jesus. Fuck's sake, man. Fucking hell, you prick. Stupid wanker. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. What a dickwad.
It's on the phone as well, you see that? Crazy
Stupid
bitch!
Knew she was gonna do it as well.
Yeah. I didn't.
Also, I can't condone a 9-year-old playing Grand Theft Auto.
Well, he said that as well. He was like, the reason he was excited about it apparently is because he's only just playing GTA 5 now, because